Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Well, 2 weeks of international football finally over with. Before we get into the Premier League, let's talk about what happened in our football. Let's talk about what happened for Jamaica. Referee, let's go. Listen, I was going to talk about this Jamaica fiasco with Liam Bailey, but a friend of mine hit me up today and said we need to talk about Liam Bailey's reaction before, and I don't say anything him after the games. So let's just talk about it, yeah? Let's just talk about it. First and foremost, Jamaica. Congratulations, Jamaica Reggae Boys. You're the first Caribbean island, first island in the Caribbean to get a medal. We came third. Should have came second or first, but that's a story for another day. I was at the game. It was a beautiful game, wonderful atmosphere. But still, we should have won. But that's a story for another day. And I'm going to be honest with you. The game was good. The game was very good. I did not been for a last minute own goal from Corey Burke. Burke on my last name too, yeah. That's a sad part. But let's leave it at that. But it was a very good game. It was a very, very good game. So before I get into the meat of the matter, hear me out. Reggae Boys, you did a wonderful, wonderful job in the Nations Cup. And I hope a lot more success can come your way. Coach Al Gibson, wonderful. The team itself, wonderful. I'm not going to lie, you guys played your hearts out. We know Gray wasn't there, Nichols wasn't there, lots of players wasn't available, but you guys showed yourself up, and I love that about you. I love the team. So honestly, I'm happy for you guys. No, down to the meat of the matter. We all were alive to see Leon Bailey go up on the YouTube channels all over the world talking about his experiences with Jamaica and how he wants a break from Jamaica. We didn't talk about how the settings are fitting for a baller to play football, talking about him only want one room, should not share a room with people. All sort of bull crap, and how Jamaica do nothing for him. Jamaica do nothing for him. This little man, or if you hear rumors, or just start you'll talk about he's planning to play for either England or Belgium, one of them. Jamaica do nothing for him. Hear me out. I'm going to point out two things that if it happens next year, you will see Liam Bailey running back to the Jamaica colors, begging for him to be called up. And I pray to God they don't do it. I don't have powers to tell them not to call him up, but I pray to God them don't do it. Hear me out. Number one, if Jamaica makes the World Cup next year, no, that's a very big, that's very small. If why? USA, Mexico, and Canada are already in the World Cup finals, which leaves about 3 or so positions left to be built from Caribbean. That means we have Guatemala, Panama, Trinidad, Costa Rica. Those teams we have to beat to get to the World Cup finals. That is a possibility. That is a distinct possibility. We can win those games and we can make it to the World Cup finals. Now, hear me out and hear me out good. Next year, 2025, when the World Cup qualifiers start kick up, Leon Bailey will be calling again. You want to know why? Because when the World Cup comes around, the world will be looking at football again. The world won't be looking at CONCACAF. The world won't be looking at Copa America. The world won't be looking at Euros. The world will be looking at World Cup, which means that every team who has a possibility, every player that has a possibility to play for their country will be vying for that opportunity. And Leon Bailey, that opportunistic, will call JFF again. I have representatives call JFF again and apologize because he would want to be in the World Cup. Because as he said, Jamaica does not give him anything, doesn't offer him anything because he has him fear man in fear man in future from Aston Villa. So will he be calling them next year when it's time for Jamaica step in the big world again, like 1990, 1990, 98? Where will he be? Will he be saying, oh, yeah, I play for Jamaica, man, so I watch them? Or will he be calling them under Sykes, apologizing? Apologizing because he was wrong. People, everybody under the voice, under under the sound of my voice right now. Remember me telling this right now. He will be calling them 100%. And they need to tell him for laugh. That promise of that. And here's the second point that I'm going to make you. I'm going to make him say Jamaica not offer him anything. Well, hear me out. If Leon Bailey make this World Cup, if he play 5-10 minutes every game, it doesn't matter how long he plays, he will have on his CV that he played in the World Cup 2026 for Jamaica. With all of the exploits in Aston Villa, which is only 1 year in play good as this year. Every other year, but this year he played well, so he get the big contract now. He will say that he played at the World Cup. So for future references, he will have that on his CV, which means that he can go to media outlets, can go to big CNN, NBC, anywhere in America, over Europe, and say, listen, I can represent Jamaica's voice in any competition Jamaica plays in. I can represent football in any competition because I played for my club and my country. But they don't think like that. Him and his father and whoever is advising him don't think like that. They don't think about the immediate effects right now. They don't think about the immediate effects in the future. And that, my friends, is going to be the issue. Because I promise you, next year they will be coming back. They will be coming back. You know what he said in the interview? Jamaica doesn't give him anything, fam. When he goes out and play for Jamaica, everybody say Leon Bailey, Leon Bailey. Bull crap. Bull crap. Listen to me. These two things that I just told you will come back. So anybody under the sound of my voice right now, you remember when me tell you, it will come back. Well, people, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Rome, your fourth official baby girl Zuri. Big people, bless yourself, bless up others. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new Manaz.